Hi, this is Handyman. Today we install a recessed light. This light going into the drywall on the ceiling with these clips. You can purchase this light on Amazon. You see the link for this light in the description. All the tools we use in this video are also going to be listed in the description below. Okay, we're installing it in this location, right above this art piece. Light will shine on this art piece and brings it up. So we're gonna steal the power from the light over here, so it's gonna be on the switch, and mount it in the ceiling. First we need to find the location where it's gonna be. To measure out the center of the ceiling, we're gonna make sure we're not hitting the stud because it will go into drywall, and drill the hole. We're gonna measure the middle. And we got 52. Divided by 2 will be 26. 26. That's our middle spread this way. There's no stud in there, so we can drill the hole. Okay, we're gonna use 2.5 inch hole saw and drill the hole. Sure you got a tarp on the bottom so all this dust will not go on the floor. 2.5 inch hole. We got insulation here, but we'll find this light later on the attic. Because of the springs, they're not going to go perfectly in the hole, so therefore we're going to cut a little notches with the utility knife. This is adjustable, it's going both directions. So we're going to put this ears upwards, put the wire through, and put it in like this. Okay, we measured it out, and here's our light. Where is it? It's right here. This is push-in connectors. We're gonna get the regular lamp cord wire and just strip it, twist it, and stick it in. Maybe cut a little bit off. Prep it nice. Make it tight. We're going to stick it in. All the way. Make sure it's not coming out. So this is connected. I'm going to put the insulation back, and we've got a wire to connect to the next fixture. We found a recessed fixture where we're going to steal our power. It's switch controlled. We're gonna open this box, connect this wire we have from that fixture. We're gonna go through this knockout, give us plenty. I'm gonna strip this wire. Twist it. And connect it to the same wire nuts. it back, put this cover back on it. Now we'll put the insulation back. Okay, now we're ready to test out the wiring. I'm going to turn on the switch. Okay, we can see the light is working. Now it brings out this art piece, and that's what we were trying to accomplish. Thank you for watching. That was Legacy Handyman. That's how you install recessed light in drywall. Takes about 20 minutes, the most. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.